Hello children. In this video, I am going to explain word problems based on inequalities in one variable. Children, in exercise 6.1, you have done single inequalities, solution of single inequalities, and in miscellaneous question number 1 to 10, double inequalities. Now, word problems are there in exercise 6.1, question number 21 to 26, and here I am going to explain some questions of that exercise. Now, this question is not in NCERT, but it is very important for your exam. The question is, the cost and revenue function of a product are Cx cost function, it is equals to 20x plus 4000, and R represent revenue function, Rx is equals to 60x plus 2000 respectively, where x is the item produced and sold. How many items must be sold to realize some profit? Cost function and revenue functions are given, and we need to find out the items sold so that we can gain some profit. Since we know that the profit is revenue function minus cost function, given that the solution is given that the cost and revenue function of a product are given by Cx is given and Rx is given. Profit function, that is Px, is equals to Rx minus Cx. Therefore, the profit function is, after doing calculation, it gives you 40x minus 2000. Since to realize some profit, because we need to realize some profit, we need to have definitely some profit. That means Px is greater than 0. 40x minus 2000 is greater than 0. That means x is greater than 50. You know how to solve this inequalities. In this one, you have to add 2000 on both sides. After that, 40x is greater than 2000. Then divide both the side by 40. You will get x is greater than 50. Hence, the manufacturer must sell more than 50 items to realize some profit. This is your answer. This way, you have to do word problems that are based on inequalities. Now, the next question is, this is your NCERT question. Find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integer, both of which are smaller than 10, such that their sum is more than 11. This question is in exercise 6.1. Let x and x plus 2 be two consecutive odd positive integer. Here I have written if x is odd positive integer, then the next consecutive odd positive integer will be x plus 2. Given that both the numbers are smaller than 10, that means x is less than 10 and x plus 2 is also less than 10. That implies x is less than 8. Combining these two inequalities, we get x is less than 8. This is our first condition. Now the second condition is given, says that their sum is more than 11. The sum of two consecutive odd positive integer is x plus 2. It should be greater than 11. That means x is greater than 9 by 2. X is greater than 9 by 2 and less than 8. This is the combined answer. Since x is odd positive integer, therefore greater than 9 by 2, that means 4.5, greater than 4.5, the first number will be 5 and the second will be 7. Therefore required pairs are, if first one is 5, then second one is 7. The first answer is 5, 7 and the second pair is 7, 9. This is your answer. Now, in miscellaneous children, two questions are very important for your exam. Question is, just I am showing you the question. question is question number 12. A solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted by adding 2% boric acid solution in it. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6% boric acid. If we have 640 liters of 8% solution, how many liters of 2% solution will have to be added? Now, we have given a solution of 640 liter. Okay, and in 640 liter of the solution, 8% boric acid is, concentration of 8% boric acid is there. Now the question is, we have to add 2% boric acid solution on that 640 liter of 8% solution, in which the resulting mixture will be greater than 4% but less than 6%. This is the question. Now the solution is, let X liters of 2% solution to be added to a 640 liters of 8% solution of boric acid. Then quantity of boric acid in the resulting mixture. Earlier 640 liter of 8% plus X liter of 2%. Both are added here. X upon 50 plus 2, 56 upon 5. After doing calculation, the value is X plus 2560 upon 50. Total volume of the solution will be, because we have added X liter in 640 liter. The total volume of the solution is 640 plus X. According to question, in that volume, the concentration of boric acid should be greater than 4% but less than 6%. Now, greater than 4%, this is the solution of, this is the concentration of boric acid solution. Now this one is greater than 4% of resulting mixture. So 4 by 100 into 640 plus X is less than X plus 2560 upon 50. This is your first inequality. And the second inequality B, this concentration is greater than this one. Okay. So after doing calculation for this inequality, after doing calculation, the X should be 1280, and for this inequality, the X will be greater than 320. That means combining first and second, the X should lies between 320 to 1280. Hence, amount of 2% solution to be added should be more than 320 liter but less than 1280 liter. This is the solution. Now, the next question, question number 13. Question number 13 is, how many liters of water will have to be added to 1125 liters of 45% solution of acid, so that the resulting mixture will contain more than 25% but less than 30% acid content? This question is same as question number 12, but here in this question we have to add water, and definitely in water the acid concentration is 0%. Okay, so now the solution is, let X liter of water to be added to 1125 liter of 45% solution of acid. Then quantity of acid in the resulting mixture will be, that is 0, because X liter means 0% boric acid. That calculation is 0 plus 45 by 100 into 1125. This is 2025 by 4. Total volume of the solution will be 1125 plus X. Then as per given question, it should be greater than 25 but less than 30%. Therefore, this value is greater than 1125 plus X into 25. 25 by 100. That means the x is less than 900 liter. And the second inequality is 30 by 100 into 1125 is greater than 2025 by 4. Then x is greater than 562.5. By combining first and second, x lies between 562.5 to 900. Therefore, hence the amount of water to be added should be more than 562.5 liter but less than 900 liter. These were all questions I have covered based on word problem, children. And some examples are also important. Example number 19 and example number 20. Both are very important for your question. Do it in your notebook, and if you have any doubt, then ask me. Thank you.